पूरा स्टार्टिंग से ऐसा जा रहा है, ले सकते हैं क्या? ये हो गया, मैं वापस ले गया, मुश्किल से याद किया था, क्यों फंबल कर रहा हूँ मैं?
We, the student of STEMfield, always known for thinking out of the box,
Today we bring to you STEMfield Talks, the first ever school podcast.
in which we will tell you inspiring stories of different people who are bringing change to the world. Today we have our first guest, Mrs. Tuhina Chakravarti Budani, aka Fit Mummy Tuhina.
She is an influencer with over 15,000 followers on Instagram and has trained more than 7,000 people across the globe. She has also been awarded Mom Influencer of the Year.
Hi ma'am.
Thank you
Ma'am,
so
we are
much.
delightful to have you here.
Thank you so much for having me. It's an honor.
Ma'am, can you tell us something about your journey, how you started and how you got into Zumba?
So my journey started after my own transformation, and my passion for fitness and health led me to take this path where now I empower and motivate other people to stay fit and healthy through my expertise like Zumba, postnatal, kids fitness and menopause.
You are truly an inspiration.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, how did you knew that Zumba was your forte? You wanted to opt?
So I love dancing. Dance is my passion, and Zumba combines my passion for health, fitness and dance. So it combines together and makes a great, fun, energetic workout. So Zumba is the perfect fit for me.
Ma'am, we mentioned that you won the Mom Influencer of the Year. And being a parent, what are your opinions on the facilities provided by our school regarding sports and fitness?
So I think STEMfield International School has come up with a great initiative, the first turf in Jabalpur, and they are doing great with the fitness and sports part, because I think it must in every school. I mean, we should not only focus on academics, but fitness and health should be given equal importance. So kudos to STEMfield International School, doing great.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, our school has a dedicated period, not just for sports as most schools do, but we also give a period for swimming and shooting weekly. So, do you think that is necessary, and should more schools take initiative in that aspect?
Yes, definitely. Like if I say, like when we were kids in 90s, there were hardly such kind of exposure was given. We hardly used to have one single sports period, and that was used for completing syllabus and all. Nothing as such was focused. So I think it is very important that one fitness period should be there in every school.
Ma'am, when a student is graduating from 12th, if a person wants to get a career focused on fitness, do you think, what's your advice to them? How should they stay ahead and follow the passion?
Fitness and health industry is growing, and children must opt for fitness and health as a career, and if they want to pursue something in fitness, they should start working on themselves from now onwards, है ना? बचपन से ही they should start something in fitness, because अगर हम fit and healthy रहेंगे तभी हम दूसरों को guide कर पाएंगे and help कर पाएंगे. So yes.
Prioritizing health as early as we can.
Yes, definitely.
Don't you think there is too much parental pressure? Parents don't allow children to go for these streams.
Yes, definitely. That is a challenge. For that, I think we should take sessions for parents. We should guide them, and we should tell them that how important it is, and fitness and health को भी एक career बनाया जा सकता है, apart from just engineers, doctors. आजकल इतनी सारी fields हैं to explore, and बच्चे का interest जिसमें हो तो parents को definitely support करना चाहिए, and health and fitness industry is definitely growing, so one can definitely opt for fitness as their career.
Sessions have been a thing in our school. We've done it before. During the boards, we had a parental session in which they informed them about the pressure and how they should guide, like parents should guide their their children and help them out in such stressful conditions. So we do sessions like that.
Very nice, because I think फिजिकल एंड मेंटल हेल्थ, दे बोथ आर इंटररिलेटेड. अगर आपका मेंटल हेल्थ अच्छा होगा, फिजिकल हेल्थ अच्छा होगा, तभी आप एकेडमिक्स में भी अच्छा कर पाओगे, है ना.
I completely
सो सिर्फ
agree.
पढ़ाई पे फोकस इज, दूसरी चीज़ों पे भी फोकस करना उतना ही ज़रूरी है. सो थोड़ा सा खेलते रहना, यू नो, इट रिलीजेज हैप्पी हॉर्मोन्स इन आवर बॉडी, राइट. सो खेलना कूदना उतना ही ज़रूरी है जितना पढ़ाई. सो यस.
That is something that Perv sir says a lot in his speeches that he gives
Yes.
in functions, that prioritize health and games as much as you prioritize your studies.
Definitely. And today we all are living a sedentary lifestyle. Everyone, है ना. बहुत ही कम लोग हैं जो एक एक्टिव लाइफस्टाइल जीते हैं. तो मुझे लगता है कि स्कूल्स में फिटनेस होना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज मोस्टली चिल्ड्रेन, आजकल के बच्चे या तो टीवी देख रहे होते हैं, अपने आईपैड्स या फ़ोन में होते हैं. एंड गॉन आर द डेज जब लोग बच्चे बाहर जाके यू नो ग्रुप्स में खेलते थे. एंड आजकल देखने भी नहीं मिलता है. तो मुझे लगता है कि अगर स्कूल में ही उनको वो एनवायरनमेंट मिलेगा जहाँ वो खेल सकते हैं, सो बहुत अच्छी बात है ये. सो डेफिनेटली मैं यही मैसेज देना चाहूँगी कि हर स्कूल को एक डेली फिटनेस एंड फिटनेस से रिलेटेड कुछ ना कुछ स्टार्ट डेफिनेटली करना चाहिए, लाइक स्टेमफील्ड इंटरनेशनल.
Thank you, ma'am, for that.
So now I would like to ask you few questions. Like we never had this opportunity कि हमारे स्कूल में academics के अलावा भी इतनी सारी facilities हो. But I wish कि हमारे साथ भी हमको भी इस तरीके का कुछ opportunity मिलता. So I would like to ask you, how does it feel कि to have so many opportunities, to have so many activities other than just academics?
No, it feels great. मतलब the facilities I've shifted this year. I have already come to the school. The amount of facilities this school gives, I was shocked. Football भी है, basketball भी. I have played 4 sports since I've come here, and I've gone for competitions. Many of our students of the school, and I would say Abhay Singh, he has gone to Paralympics in France, won bronze medal for India.
Even one of our juniors has been selected for the trials of nationals in shooting. So we've definitely been exceeding, and even I tried shooting last year. I had to stop because of the boards, but it's great facilities that we get provided, and our teachers take care of our students. Especially, they don't ask us questions like why do you have to practice, or they don't interrupt us.
They are very supportive. The teachers, the staff is very, very supportive.
Very nice, very nice. Good to know this. We need more schools like Stemfield International School, definitely.
Thank you, ma'am, for joining us. It's been a pleasure to have you here.
Thank
Ma'am,
you
it
so
was
much.
great to
My
have you.
pleasure. Give me 5.
That's a wrap on today's episode of STEMfield Talks. Thanks for tuning in.
Stay curious, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next episode with another inspiring guest.
Don't forget to like and follow to our page. Thank you.